Hey there, welcome to day 14 of Vlogmas. I'm honestly surprised that I've been doing this for 2 weeks straight. I've had an awful earache on top of working full time and doing a million other things for my business. But anyways, here we are doing something fun for my students. I'm going to make a holly jolly peppermint gift tag for them, and I am in Illustrator. First I have to pick my font, so using Nexus font to do that. After I get that settled, I bring that in and kind of get everything somewhat laid out. I like my faux candy cane right there. Anyways. I have this background paper that is a peppermint stripe, and for the length of time it took me to make it into an actual object, I probably could have just made one of my own, but nonetheless it worked out. And I overlay it onto my text after I have outlined my text, and then you can clip mask the object and turn it into really cute striped letters. And then I realized you can't really see them, so I tried to do an outline. That didn't really work. So I copied my original text, which you should always save your original text before you outline it. And then I put an outline around the original text, moved it to the back, and now I have this beautiful thin black outline. And then I bring in some more background paper that's candy cane and happiness. And I am going to place my real candy cane here by punching 2 holes into it. I had placed some lines there that I thought would fit, and I tried to cut them and place them after I printed it. It didn't work, so just ignore those little dashes that I put in here in a little bit. All right, on to the next step. Putting a lovely shadow on this text so that it kind of pops off the page. Continuing to edit the font because I can never get it the way I want it. Move it all down, center it, and then I bring in some more candy canes, and I vectorize this background as well, and I move the candy cane hearts and candy canes around to various locations, making it kind of happy and sprinkled. So my tags are duplicated, so I can print 4 per page because I need to print 50 of them. And if you would like to download this Holly Jolly Christmas gift tag without my name, of course, you can do so by joining my Patreon, The Creative Club. All right, now on to the assembly. I have printed all of my candy tag pages, and I'm going to punch 2 holes into each one and stuff the candy cane through them. So pretty rinse and repeat process, and then we'll have a whole stack of candy cane gifts to give to 1st and 2nd graders. I hope this has inspired you to make something for your family, and again, if you'd like to use this gift tag, feel free to follow the link in the description below, and I will see you guys in day 15 of Vlogmas 2023. Thanks so much for watching. Stay crafty.